Welcome to the channel about how to set up a small YouTube studio. The first thing I'm showing here is how actually to stream, capture live video over a phone. In this case I have an iPhone 7, but I guess you can use actually any other Android or iOS phone to do exactly the same. You connect your phone outlet source as well, so not to drain the battery too much. You set up a wireless. I'm hoping that your computer and the phone is going to be on the same wireless network, and by that they will be able to talk to each other through your router. There's a bunch of options out there. Actually, if I had a Mac, for example, I would not need to look any further for any other options, because Macs actually support so-called AirPlay, so directly you can just let it run. And they support screen capture of the box, although OBS is much more sophisticated than much. For PC users, we of course gotta search for solutions, and what I did, I just went in a few Google searches. So let's look at this together. And for this site, alternative2.net, I clashed into this LetsView, which was saying that it was free. It's a Windows version, so I jumped right into it, and this is how the program looks like. And it also has another screen which basically is showing you a successful mirroring. Connecting through the iPhone is with the screen I'm just going to show you in a second. But then other options included Add a Parrot, Paid App, Add a Server, a Reflector, Commercial, Lonely Screen. And by the way, this Lonely Screen actually is a paid app which uses a subscription. I'm gonna show you on the download page. They want $15 per year for personal use. So now if you want to do something with it, like capturing your screen, which is absolutely basic, then you're out with $30 per year. And a single website domain per year is around $10. Hosting would be $50 or whatever, but not this thing. I mean, hosting is a big service. It's very complex. I was using Lonely Screen unregistered free version, so it was working actually fine, and there was these messages from time to time asking you to subscribe, but I didn't. And now I found LetsView Alternative on top, and let's go to their website as well. You just click on download, and so we found this LetsView thingy right here. Let's move it on a little bit. So let's just download that file and see what's this app is doing. Installing. Run. Yes. Let's install version 103.23 on your computer. Next. Accept. To default. Create a desktop. Install. Let's see how this works, if it works. Launch LetsView. Yep. Launch LetsView. Phone screen mirroring. Yep. Help. Phone. Okay, so let's see. Try to connect to it now. So this is where you slide up from your iPhone and you select the respective screen mirror, in this case LetsView, and that's basically it. Then use your phone as normal and everything will be mirrored on your screen straight away. Yeah, not bad at all, actually. Not bad at all. Yep. So what we're gonna do now is the lonely island that became really lonely right now. Good. Close. Let's go to our OBS stream and set it up. Display capture. Settings. This was the lonely screen. We're not going to change. No. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. So why doesn't it show anything? It turned off already? No, it didn't. So what's the problem? It's showing. Is it the other one? Yeah. Does it look pretty good? So let's adjust it. And nah, come on. How many pixels is that? Alright. And then we have some top. Q, perfect. And bottom. Yeah. Just kind of in the middle. Moving to the left. Alright. Okay. So that's about it. By the way, it also has a few additional functions. For example, it can record itself as well, which is not bad at all. And you can also mark up certain portions of your screen. And I tried actually a bunch of apps and it didn't work for me. But LetsView and the lonely screen worked pretty well. And then you just put your camera somewhere, which I have a much better place for this camera, of course. And that's how you do it. See you soon. It's gonna be a journey. I know.